Stephen Ditchfield is the patriarch and inspiration for the well-known Suncoast performers, the Ditchfield Family Singers. And he has been described as having one of the finest baritone voices in America. Yes, America. And I've been enjoying it all day, and now you get to do it also in today's Sounds of the Suncoast.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day and the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Amazing. Now you can see Stephen Ditchfield on Sunday, August 28th at 2 p.m., which is the last day of the Summer Cabaret Festival at the Venice Theater. For tickets, you want to go to VeniceStage.com, and now you know why they say he's one of the best baritones in America. Amazing, Stephen.
Beautiful.
All right, and next we're talking wedding trends. We'll be right back.